Hello there. Welcome to Module 2 of the Educational Psychology in TVET course titled Principles of Human Growth and Development. This module is a build-up of the previous one, where extensive coverage of the various concepts of educational psychology was done, and you got to understand the importance of studying this course. Now, in this module, you will focus on the stages as well as principles of human growth and development and how they impact your training learning process. Why developmental psychology? Human growth and development is a branch of developmental psychology. It is the scientific study of growth, development, and behavior changes of beings from conception through to death. Carefully observe the picture appended on this slide. In relation to growth and development, I want you to write down what you see in logical sequence. This picture depicts how we change physically, socially, cognitively, and morally over our lifetimes from conception through to death. Great! Was your observation on point? You probably might be wondering why you need this information as a learner, yet you are not a practicing psychologist, right? We cannot underscore the importance of developmental psychology. Why? Because it will not only give you a general understanding of the various processes that human beings go through, but will enable you to appreciate the needs and challenges facing individuals as they grow up. It will help you appreciate individual differences in your learning space and manage them well. It will help you in the planning of learning, as it will equip you with competence to react appropriately to any behavioral changes encountered among trainees. It will provide you with a better understanding of adult behavior. Remember, most of your trainees are in the adult stage of growth and development. Critically analyze the phrase on this slide. To understand an adult, we must understand the child. In a discussion forum, write down your arguments for or against this statement. The behaviors you see in your trainees today could be a reflection of what they acquired in their first 6 years of life. Let us now try to differentiate between growth and development. What do you understand by the term growth? In your own words, define the term growth. Good! Is your answer close to this one? It is worth noting that growth is an irreversible, constant quantitative increase in size or a net increase in object size or mass. These quantitative changes occur from conception to death. There are different types of growth. Hyperplastic growth, that is, increase in the number of cells. Hypertrophic growth, that is, increase or decrease in the size of cells. Non-cellular growth, that is, material increase or decrease in the body, e.g., urine, excretion, etc. Next, I would like you to think of the word development. What do you understand by the term development? In your own words, define the term development. Compare your answer with this one. It is a progressive increase in skill and capacity of function. It refers to qualitative changes that take place in a human being from conception to death as a result of maturation and environment. It is the emergence of capabilities over time. The changes could be social, emotional, physical, and moral. Physically, for instance, could be in terms of motor development. For example, a child from sitting to crawling, to walking, and to running. It can be measured through observation. Growth and development are interrelated. Growth facilitates development and vice versa. For instance, a child whose muscles are growing properly will easily be able to walk at maturation. It is not possible to draw a line where growth stops and development starts. Growth and development occurs in stages. We experience different things at different times, capable of different things at certain times, etc. From prenatal stage of growth and development, we all undergo different changes in shape and in tissue composition in our bodies. At certain points, we were able to crawl, to stand, to walk, to run, and so much. Each developmental stage will pose different challenges. Check out this outline of the major growth and developmental stages with approximate age. The infancy stage comes before the prenatal stage of development. True or false? False. From prenatal stage of growth and development, we all undergo different changes in shape and in tissue composition in our bodies. At certain times, we were able to crawl, to stand, to walk, to run, and so much. The changes in height of the developing child can be thought of in two different ways: the height attained at successive ages and the increments in height from one age to the next, expressed as rate of growth per year. Development can be measured through observation. True or false? It's true. Looking back at how you developed, you realize that at certain points you were able to crawl, to stand, to walk, to run, and so much, but different times for different individuals. To be able to walk, a child has to develop their leg muscles. Just by looking at an individual, you can tell when they are happy, anxious, sad, or just in an apprehensive mood. Describe the observable aspects from the image. Behavior is the observable aspects or activities of an individual. It is very important for a trainer to accurately identify different behaviors portrayed by learners in the training, learning environment and act accordingly. What do you understand by the term maturation? In your own words, define the term maturation. This is the attainment of a state of readiness of the human body. Good! Is your answer close to this one? I want you to visit a children's playground area and note down everything that you can see as they are playing, taking into cognizance all the different aspects of growth and development discussed in this session. While at the playground, remember many children will be accompanied by a parent. Identify 5 different parent or parents. Request them to have a quick interview with you, each parent separately. Ask them about their experiences raising up their child, focusing the discussion on growth and development aspects. For instance, what milestones they have had and at what period, challenges experienced. Is there anything in the development of the child that they see may hinder the child from learning appropriately? Compile your results and see if there is a pattern that is similar to what we have learned in regard to growth and development. Thank you. I hope that we have had an engaging session. Looking forward to our next topic as we navigate human growth and development, focusing on other key stages of growth.